Hey, what's going on, guys? Another beer review here. Looking at another Founders. You can probably tell by my t-shirt that I'm doing a Founders marathon here. Trying a bunch of different Founders beers all at once. This one is called All Day IPA Session Ale. 4.7% alcohol by volume. So I'm assuming the All Day IPA is that you can drink multiple of these because it's a little bit lower in alcohol. 5% is about average for alcohol in beer. So 4.7% is a little bit on the low side. It says 42 IBUs. I've had other ones that were more from Founders in the IBUs, which is International Bitterness Units, or Bitter Units, $1.99 on the price here. I think, at least with Founders anyway, the price is kind of related to the alcohol content. The other ones that were like almost 10, about $4 a bottle. This one's 4.7, $2 a bottle. So take that for what it's worth. Ooh, that is definitely an IPA. It smells like pot and armpit. That's a hell of a combination. A bag of weed and a sweaty armpit. Well, now, I got my small mug. Let's pour this. Let's see what we got. A light pale yellow color. All right. About the same smell, just not as strong. Ideally, I would have a proper beer glass to be smelling beer. In a mug, it's just kind of there. You lose a lot of that scent if you have a hourglass shaped glass. It kind of focuses in. Even if you have like a brandy snifter, it focuses in that smell, so you can pick up on all the little nuances of it. But it smells about the same in the mug. Pot and armpit. I know that doesn't seem very appealing to some people, but it's a good flavor. We'll see. It tastes exactly like it smells. It smells and tastes like pot and armpits. The bitterness is there. It's actually really refreshing. It has a lighter mouthfeel. It doesn't feel like it's really coating the mouth a lot. It's I wouldn't say watery though. That's the difference, is that some beers tend to be a little bit watery or cheap in that the flavor seems watered down. This doesn't. It's just a very light mouthfeel. But it's still really good though. Wow, this one's really hard to describe. It's weird, it's hard to describe. The flavor's really good. I'm not getting specifically, like, I've talked about this before with IPAs. It's like how much pine, how much grapefruit, how much citrus, how much, it's combinations of those flavors. And this one, although it's there, it's hard to really differentiate between them. If anything, it's a really, really good blend of both. So it's very well balanced, between the piney notes and the citrus that you expect from pretty much any other IPA. Now, although I've said it, armpits and weed, it's still good. I know no one really wants to taste someone's armpit. And a lot of people out there don't want to taste weed either, but for some reason it works. I don't know how, I don't know why, but it's still an enjoyable beer. It's still a really good flavor. It's refreshing. It's a really bright flavor. The flavor does, it lingers a little bit in the palate. It's not too bitter. I know some of the IPAs out there, they have tons of flavor, but they're super, super bitter. If you don't like that in an IPA, I think you'll like this one because the bitterness, what does it say for IBUs on here again? 42 IBUs. Like all the other ones, I don't taste it. It really doesn't seem that bitter in comparison with a lot of other IPAs. Well, here's what my final thoughts are. First of all, at 4.7%, this can be an all-day IPA. If you got a 6-pack of these, most people can probably drink all 6. You know, spread out over an entire evening, you know, into night. The flavor's good. I'd recommend this beer if you're an IPA lover, you know, you enjoy a good IPA. I would certainly recommend this. It's another great beer from Founders, but it's really well balanced, but I don't think it's going to make my like top 5 IPA list. Excuse me. I like that it is really well balanced, but not one single flavor really stands out so much. My IPA list of favorites, Dirt Wolf by Victory, by far the best IPA. If you have a chance to find it, buy it. Buy all of it. It is amazing. Dogfish Head, their 90 minute is great. Fantastic. Probably number 2 on my list. Their 60 minutes, also very good. Just less powerful in flavor and alcohol. And I still really like Hop Explosion. I don't know why, but that's on my list as well. Probably tied with Victory's Hop Devil. But Founders is up there. Definitely top 10 list. The All Day IPA is a really good beer. Not my favorite, but certainly worth checking out. So if you have a chance, if you see this logo right here, Founders, doesn't matter what the label is, doesn't matter what the beer is, it's really good. It's just a matter if you like that style of beer. But all the representations of different types of beers, their porter is phenomenal. You know, there are other ones that I've tried. It's just, they're really, really good. Very good. So Founders is a solid brewery, a solid company, packed full of flavor. Really, really worth it. So I'd recommend it. Not my favorite, but still recommended. So there you go. That's Founders All Day IPA. Thanks for watching, guys. Hope you have a great day, and I'll see you soon.